Norzom and I'm a student of Lamdon Model High School. And my question is that what is success for you and what we have to do in our life to be a successful one? Thank you.
A new Western world. I do not have any knowledge about it. What means successful? So therefore, I can't answer to your question. These days, the word successful is used for everything. And a person who is in the category of successful person is considered to be more um, valuable, and those people who are considered as in the class of failure, and that is considered to be something inferior. But successful and failure both are interrelated according to this viewpoint. Successful is considered to be successful in comparison with the failure. If there is no failure, then you cannot identify any success. And failure is also in comparison with the something which we designate as success. All these are interrelated and interdependent. And interrelated and interdependent things cannot be accurately termed as absolute value in that. All are relatively is here. So therefore, as I mentioned before, uh, I cannot answer your question appropriately. This is successful, this is the definition of successful, and how to achieve it, and how to achieve it effortlessly and easily, because these are now demand of the some of the younger generations.